Hey guys, so today we are doing a little bit of a manhunt. Gregory has just had 15 minutes to hide, and we're gonna go hunt him now. We have 30 minutes to find him, and if we can't find him in 30 minutes, he wins.
Oh, you kind of have control right now.
Yep. 'No. Okay guys, we're about 22 minutes left. It's been about 8 minutes since we started. And I don't know, we haven't heard a thing from him. Haven't seen any signs of him being around here. Nothing, we're kind of just walking around in the bush right now. Haven't heard him, haven't seen him. Yeah, that's all. "13 minutes till Gregory wins. Haven't seen, heard anything still. But, I don't know, hopefully we catch a break soon. Back at the golf cart, and we're in the last 6.5 minutes. We're gonna hopefully see him, but you never know. Definitely not the stealthy approach to this, but okay guys, well, we've hit the 30-second mark, as you can see on my watch. Well, not really. Oh yeah. So, there's 10 seconds until we lose. Did not go as planned. And now we just gotta go find Gregory so he can come out. And then probably still shoot him anyways. And time's up, that's all. Gregory's on the run. And we're stuck.
It went the other way. It's too windy. It's too fast.
Come on, you can do it.
Come on, stupid
you can
machine.
do it. You can do it.
Speed up. Oh, he's over there now. He's going. Oh, big bump, big bump, big bump.
Oh,
come on, machine.
Let's go.
How are you going? Needs a bit to warm up and then she goes.
Oh yeah. Zoom, zoom. Hopefully we can see him when we get around this bend.
Hopefully, we can see that he's already made it.
Oh yeah.
He's hiding in the bush.
He hit! He's... He hit! Suppressing fire! He only has a limited amount of bullets.
I know.
Us, not so much. I think that my... Whoa! I can actually see the bullet. Killed with his own weapon.
Killed with his own weapon. Where's his gun stuff working? So I just stole yours.
I was like, it wasn't even on full auto.
We were just rounding the corner and I was like,
let's get absolute.